Before PortPro, it would take 4 to 5 minutes to send one dispatch, so it wasn't really working out well for us.
Okay. And how long does a dispatch take now?
1 second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pro-Formance Intermodal is an asset-based powerhouse in Western Canada. Their mission is simple: outperform the rest.
The growth rate of this company is absolutely phenomenal. With the way the volumes are, you need technology. It has to stay ahead of the game. Without technology today, no, you're dead in the water.
And for Performance Intermodal, customer service is the pillar of their success.
Customer service is on the forefront for Performance Intermodal. We pride ourselves on the fluid communication and the transparency that we have with our customers.
And with real-time tracking, their customers almost have too much visibility.
We can give a customer, through PortPro, whatever tracking they want. We actually say, are you sure you want all-day tracking? It's a bit of a joke with the customer. They actually see it. They say, yeah, it's too much. We don't need to know all that. But we do like it, and you give us this piece. That's great.
But the biggest game changer happened in the back office. Document uploading has transformed their business.
PortPro allows the uploading of documents. We never had that functionality before.
We had a team of people who was actually sorting the driver paperwork, and then it would take 3 to 4 days to send it for billing and then invoicing. But when we switched to PortPro, it was all clicks, and dispatches send.
And that speed hits the bottom line. Faster processing means better cash flow.
So we were billing late in the old software, but with PortPro, we are billing way faster. Now, once we complete the load and get it billed right away, so we have better understanding that how much cash flows will be coming in.
Automation didn't just save them time, it cleared the runway for their next stage of growth.
This has made everybody's life a lot easier. The reporting to customers, the accuracy, the documentation that we can give them has been tremendous.
There was a lot of positive feedback from our customers. I would recommend it to another drayage company, as we've actually done.